Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good, my dear. Last class at the end, we discussed the daily routine of a day. We discussed the activities which is doing in a day. Yes, are you remembering? Are you remembering?
Wake up. Brush my
Okay,
teeth.
Devana.
Wake up.
Yes.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Take a shower.
Yes.
Eat my breakfast.
Yes.
Go to school.
Very good.
Have lunch.
Yes.
Then play.
Play with friends.
Play with friends. Go back home.
Very good.
Play at home.
Yes.
Do your homework.
Yes. After homework,
Do housework.
yes. Sometimes we will help your mother for doing the housework. Yes. After that,
Watch television.
yes.
Have your dinner.
Yes. Having dinner with the family members.
Yes.
Yes.
Brush your teeth.
Once again, we will brush our teeth. The last activity of the day, go to sleep. Go to sleep. So these are the activities we are doing in a day. Okay. Now, please listen here. Today we are going to learn two new words. Today we are going to learn two new words. No need to write now. Listen here. I will write on the board that it is the first word is EARLIER.
See the board.
Earlier. See?
Right.
No need to write. Listen to me. EARLIER. Earlier. Earlier means before. The activity which is happening before, we will use the word to describe the word earlier. Earlier means before. Earlier means before, happening before the other activity. Now the other one, the other new word is later, Later. Later. Later means after some time. The activity will happen after some time. No need to write, listen to me. So the two new words today we are going to discuss, that is earlier and later. Earlier means before. See, we wake up early in the morning. So that activity is happening before. Okay, the first activity. Now, we have our breakfast, no? After that. So, having breakfast is later. Wake up in the morning, that is the first activity that is coming earlier. Having breakfast, that is later. So earlier means before, later means after some time. Now I'm going to write two activities on the board. You have to tell me which is happening earlier and which is happening later. Okay. Now, no need to write, listen to me. Brushing the teeth. Okay. Brushing the teeth. Now other activity, having breakfast. Having a breakfast. So here you can see two activities. One is brushing the teeth. Another one is having breakfast. Now you have to tell me which one is earlier, which one is later. Here two activities are there. Brushing the teeth, having breakfast. Which is earlier? Is it brushing the teeth or having breakfast? Brushing the teeth. So this we can say it's earlier. It is happening first. Brushing the teeth is happening first. Okay, then what about having breakfast? It is later. It is later. Compared to brushing the teeth, having breakfast is later, after some time. Okay, now you got the meaning of earlier and later. Earlier means before, later means after some time. Now I will write another two activities. Listen. Playing in the park. Playing in the park. Now another one. Going to school. No need to write, listen to me. So here you can see another two activities. Playing in the park, going to school. So which one is earlier? Which one is later? Which one is earlier? Which one is later? Playing in the park. Is it earlier or later?
Earlier.
Playing in the park. Is it earlier or later?
Later.
It's later. It's later. Playing in the park, it's later. Now going to school is? Going to school is?
Earlier.
Earlier. It's happening first. It's happening first. So going to school is happening earlier. After that, only playing in the park. Usually we will play in the park in the evening time, no? We will go to the park and play in the evening time. So going to school, is it in the morning time? So that is happening earlier. Playing in the park is later. So today we are discussing two new words, that is earlier and later. Earlier means before. Later means after some time. Now we have some exercise in the textbook. So please take a textbook. So it will be more clear to you the meaning earlier and later. So please take a textbook, part 2, page number 13. Take textbook, part 2, page number 13. The same page you can see on the screen also. Let me share the screen. All of you got the same page, page number 13?
Yes.
Yes. So let's start.
Yes.
Yes. And not only that, we know there are 3 parts of the day, or we can say morning, afternoon, evening. Morning, afternoon, evening, and also we have night. Okay. Then we have the breakfast in the morning, lunch at afternoon, and dinner or separate night. Okay. Now let's see the exercise. We have to put a tick mark in the textbook. So please listen here. Let's see the first one. See, tick the correct word. Tick the correct word. Now here we have the first one, A. All of you please listen. The sun rises in the dash. It's given morning, evening. When the sun rises, is it in the morning or evening?
Morning.
It's in the morning. It's in the morning. So you can put a tick mark for morning. The sun rises in the morning. And the sun sets at the evening time. See, sun rises in the morning. Sun sets at the evening time. So the sun rises in the morning. So you can put a tick mark for morning. Page number 13, part 2, textbook. Mother Krishna. It's already given in the group. Be ready with the textbook part 2, page number 13.
മോർണിംഗിന് ലെസൺ
Page number 13. Okay, you got it. So the first one, the sun rises in the morning. The sun rises in the morning. Now let me see B. Let's see B. Here we have B. We go to school in the dash. When we will go to school, is it in the morning or evening? Morning. So you can put a tick mark for morning. So please put a tick mark for morning. Now let's move to C. We play in the dash. When we will play, is it in the morning or evening? Yes, it's in the evening time. We play in the evening. We play in the evening time. Yes. Yes.
1, 3, 13.
Yes, yes. 1, 3, 13.
1, 3, 13.
Now question D. The day is the hottest. Hottest means we feel too hot. At what time? Is it in the morning or at noon? When we feel very hot.
In the morning.
Morning we feel very hot. Huh? Morning we feel very hot or at the noon time. Is it is at the noon time. Noon time. It's now it is morning time. No, are you feeling hot? No, but it is if it is in the noon time, we feel hot. So the day is the hottest. The answer is at noon. At noon. Now let's move to E. We have our lunch. When is our lunch? Is it in the afternoon or evening?
Evening.
Evening time you have your lunch? Huh?
Afternoon.
Evening time you have your lunch? It's in the afternoon time. Okay, the afternoon, the second meal of the day, that is lunch. That's we have at the afternoon. So we have our lunch in the afternoon. Evening sometimes we may have the snacks. So we have our lunch in the afternoon. Now let's move to the last one. When it is dark, see, when it is dark, it is dash. Afternoon, night. What do you say? It's night. When it is dark, it is night. When it is dark, it is night. Rayan Sandeep, read the first one. Rayan Sandeep, read the first one, A.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the first one. The sun. The sun rises in the morning. Okay, Emmanuel, read the second one, B. We go to school in the morning. We go to school in the morning. Milena, what about C? Unmute and read. Unmute Milena. Read C. We play.
We play
In the when we play in the evening. Very good. We play in the evening. Now let's move to D. Serafin, read the D. The day. Unmute and read the day. The day is the hottest. The day. Read, Sirafin. The day. Read. The day. Sirafin, read. The day is the hottest at noon. Okay. At noon. Okay. Anirudh, read the next one. E. We have
our lunch in the
we have our lunch
afternoon.
in the afternoon. Very good. Now, Akshat, what about the last one? F. When it is dark, when it is dark, it is
Night.
night. When it is dark, it is night. Okay. Here also you can see earlier or later. You can see the words EARLIER, earlier. LATER, later. Earlier or later are words used for events happening at different times. Earlier we use for the activities which is happening before the other. Later, the next one. See, after some time we will do some activities. For that we use the word later. Okay. Now please take a page number 14. Page number 14. Page number 14.
Page.
The same page you can see on screen also. Here, tick the activity. Tick the activity which is done earlier in the given pairs of activities. One is done for you. See, two activities are given. We have to put a tick mark for the one which is done earlier before the other. Okay, once again, tick the activity which is done earlier. Earlier means before in the given pairs of activities. Now, let us see the first one. Let's see the first one. Chelsea, what you can see in the picture? A, what you can see?
One girl
Taking bath. No? Taking bath. What about the next picture? This one.
Three children going to school.
They are going to school. Okay. So you can see taking bath, going to school. So which is earlier? Happening before or happening first? Is it taking bath or going to school? Chelsea, which is happening first? Is it taking bath or going to school?
Going to school.
That is happening earlier. After going to school only you will take bath?
No.
No, you will take bath, then you will go to school. Okay, you will take bath, then you will go to school. So the earlier, the first activity, which is, what is that? What is that? Taking
shower.
bath. That's why it's put tick mark. Okay, that's why it's put tick mark. The first one, taking bath, going to school. So taking bath is earlier, going to school is later. So here we have to put a tick mark for the earlier one. So it's put tick mark for taking bath. Is it clear?
Yes.
So let's move to B.
Yes.
Kevin, please unmute and tell me the second one, B. What you can see in the picture?
Cycling and
Cycling. Then?
wake up.
Wake up. So which is earlier, the first activity? Is it cycling or wake up?
Wake up.
Very good. It's wake up. So you can put a tick mark for wake up. So wake up is a earlier activity and cycling, that is a later one. Now let's move to the next one. That is C. Asher, Please unmute and tell me what you can see in C.
Sleeping.
Sleeping. What about the next one?
School.
Studying at school. Sleeping, studying at school. So which is the earlier activity? Sleeping or studying?
School.
Very good. It's school. Studying at school. The last activity is that sleeping. Okay.
Yes.
So here earlier one is studying at school.
Yes.
Good. Very good. Now Vaishnavi, please unmute. Vaishnavi. The fourth one, D. What you can see in the picture?
Boy.
One boy is waking up. No? Wake up. Now, what about the next picture?
Eating.
Eating breakfast. So, which one is earlier, waking up or having breakfast? Waking up or having breakfast? Waking. So, you can put a tick mark for wake up. Put a tick mark for wake up. Very good. Now, Joseph, please and tell me the next one. Look at the picture carefully and tell me the answer. Okay, Joseph? What you can see in the last one? What you can see, Joseph? Brushing the teeth. Okay. Brushing the teeth at what time? Is it the morning or at the night?
Morning.
Is it in the morning? Morning, can you see the stars? It is brushing the teeth. What time? Is it in the morning or at night?
Night.
It's at night. You can see the stars. No? Brushing the teeth at night. Also, you can see one boy is reading. So, which one is earlier? Is it brushing at night or reading?
Studying.
Which one is earlier? Brushing the teeth at night or reading the book or studying?
Reading.
Yes, reading. Very good, very good. See, you can see brushing the teeth, but you can see the stars. That means it's happening at night. So, brushing the teeth at night and reading or studying. So, reading is the earlier one. Later is brushing the teeth at night. Is it clear, the last one?
Yes.
Look at the picture carefully. You can see the stars in the background. So, that is later only happening. Brushing the teeth at night. Reading. So, reading is earlier.
Earlier.
Okay. Now, let's move to the next one. See page number 15. Write earlier and later for the given pairs of activities. One is done for you. You have to write earlier activity, that you have to write earlier. Later one, you have to write later. The first one you can see brushing the teeth. Here you can't see any stars. So that means it is in the morning. Then eating breakfast. So brushing the teeth is earlier, having breakfast is later. Okay. Now let's move to B. Here we can see playing in the park. Playing in the park. And the next one you can see go back to home from school. Go back to home from school. So which one is earlier? Which one is later? Giovanni, would you tell me playing in the park? Is it earlier or later?
Earlier.
See, playing in the park, go back to home. Which is, yes, listen. Yes, I asked which one is earlier. Which one is earlier? Playing in the park or going back to home? Go back to home. Okay, so this one is earlier. E-A-R-L-I-E-R, earlier. Now, playing in the park. Playing in the park. Is it early? Is it earlier or later? Playing in the park.
Later.
Later. So you can write here later. After coming from school, we will move to or we will go to park. Now we will play. So earlier we will come back to home from school. Then we will play. Now see, look at the see. You can see wake up, then tying shoelace. Wake up, tying shoelace. Which one is earlier? Which one is later? Wake up is waking up is
A.L.
earlier. Now tying shoelace. When?
Later.
Later. So after the class, write and study 5 times the 2 new words. Later, earlier. The 2 new words in the rough book, write and study 5 times. Okay? Earlier means before, later means after some time. In the rough book, you can write and study only 5 times.
Ma'am, I'll see full finish.
Okay, good, good, very good. So it's time to winding up the session. So I'm going to stop sharing. The same pages I will forward in the group also. So those who didn't come, you can do that time. Earlier and later. Okay, bye. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.